We are going to attempt to repair this stomper motor. The tab on the bottom that's connected to it to give it power is gone. So what we are going to do is basically just flip this around and use the tab up here to make the motor good again, hopefully. So the first thing you gotta do is pry the case off. Well, actually, the first thing we need to do is take the gears off. I just used channel locks on the gear I want off, and then use my pliers on the other side. Now we can pry the tabs up. Key to this is don't use the little metal tab right here. See what you got? It's another little tab in here, so we're going to flip that out so you can solder to it, and then we'll just clean this one up, and I don't even have to take that out now that I look at it. This is a little tab we're going to try and put in there. No guarantee it'll work, but I've done it with a couple of them, so. The key is to make sure you get it under the tab and under there. Now see, it doesn't look like it's quite touching here, but I've got a little trick for that too. So we're just going to flip that like that. Get our needle nose. Crimp these back down. See if we even got power. Okay, so now I'm going to test it. Put it in my case. And that's it. Now if it wouldn't have worked, sometimes I have them where they don't work. What I'll do is I'll put my screwdriver right here and just tap it, put a little dent in it so it makes contact with that little tab there. See how it's kind of loose? So I'll probably go ahead and do that just to make sure it stays on there. But that's how you get your tab back, and then you can just take and pop this tab out, and you got your new tab to solder your wire to, just like that. That's Stomper Motor Repair.